We are back from Ulta, girl. What did I get? What did I get from Ulta? What did I get from Ulta? Originally, I only got 3 things, guys. I had a $10 coupon and a $3 reward, so $60 for 3 items. Anyway, I picked up some Bobbi Brown Skin Enriched Face Base. This is a moisturizer and a primer, so it's a 2-in-1. This is what I use on my clients. It looks like this, and this is just what I swear by. I love this formula. It's so good. It's so good. I usually just get the travel size. It's $25. And this lasts a good while because you don't need much, you know, just enough to put on your fingertips and massage into the face. So good. So good. And then I need a mattifying primer because it is summertime. We need the girls' makeup to last. So I'm trying out this Power Grip Matte Primer by e.l.f. Let me know in the comments if y'all have ever tried this yourself, or if you are a makeup artist and if you tried this on your clients, let me know how you like it. It's gonna be a first time for me. And then I picked up some Super Goop sunscreen in the shade Sunset, and this has an SPF of 40. So this for me. This for me. And I did try it out. I wore some this morning, like today, and yeah, skin looks good. It looks glowy. Still looks good. And it's protecting my skin while I'm out in the sun. So definitely needed this. I do need to get like a full body sunscreen as well, because when I tell y'all these UV rays have not been playing, they ain't been playing. Yeah, I need to go get a brow pencil, some more Q-tips, and I believe that's it, because I do have a semi-busy weekend. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I didn't vlog a lot yesterday, and I didn't vlog a lot Tuesday, so we just gonna see what this Wednesday vlog gonna do. Probably not too much of nothing, but we gotta do something. I'll check in when something actually going on, because baby, when I tell you I'm about to decompress, I'm about to decompress. I might eat me some fruit. I don't know. I'm not even hungry. And see, that's what the thing is. I'm not hungry, so it ain't no need to eat when you're not hungry. But it is good to snack, healthy snack, so that when you don't get so hungry when it is time to eat. You know what? I'm just gonna go decompress. A1 yellow bone ratchet. Can I get a? This that roll call. Hey, yes. Okay, TikTok. Baby, you know I'm getting old. Look what I went about. A sun visor thingy. Because it be hot in here, honey. And I wanted the hot pink one, but somebody bought it. So we got purple. But we finna put it in here because it's hot, honey. It's hot, and I need my car to stay cool. I need my car to stay cool la la. Hold up. You know stuff like that up when you turn the camera on. They ain't been doing this. Get up here so I do something to you. I'm finna go. I had got me some breakfast this morning, y'all, from McDonald's. I haven't had McDonald's breakfast in so long, baby. 10 out of 10. Let me tell you what I got. I had the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. baby, when I tell you the bagel was so fresh and fluffy and just the whole sandwich was so good and hot and fresh. You just could say it was hot and fresh. And I also got a medium coffee, so cheers to that. Y'all, I have been doing so well. Like, ever since my cycle went off, I've been just like eating less, watching my proportions, drinking a lot of water, and I'm just trying to do better. Now, I do need to start back working out. Once I start working out, it'll really all come together, but until then, I'm being mindful. Now, I did just eat a hearty breakfast, so I probably will take it, honestly, I will probably take it light for the rest of the day. I don't have to eat heavy for the rest of the day. I ate heavy this morning. I can just keep it light for lunch and keep it light for dinner. So that's the plan. But girl, I'm so grown. I don't know what to do. Let's get on back into this shop. I got one more client. Let me go and get out because it be cats out here. I don't need none of them getting confused. I'm not your mammy. I guess I'm due for a little TJ Maxx, guys. Head inside. It's so packed. It's the 4th of July weekend. Everybody and their mama is out. But that's all right. Yeah,
I'm about to take a photo for my it's called, let me see, because they emailed me. Please, once I find the stuff for work, I'm gonna take a quick photo. I have a picture. The way my skin feels so good. I should work because it's been, kind of bad for a little minute now. Oh shoot, I mean this is good. This may not stay. So I have been documenting. I got a little video for the respectful way, but I think you guys were right. Some of you guys were commenting saying that Chinese is right now.
good morning, Jezidor gang. Girl, I just left Walmart this morning. I just picked up me one of these little protein snacks. It says it has 14 grams of protein. And then I picked up a Greek Chobani little yogurt flip. This is gonna be my little something to have on my stomach this morning. I am so tired and sleepy. I stayed up late last night. And yeah, that wasn't a good decision. But just about to have this and then head to class. Okay, it's good. The turkey breast with wheat crackers by Here Shop Farm. Baby, it's busting. Got a little flavor on there. But that's all I got going on this morning, y'all. I just want to check in. Before I got my little morning all crunk up and started up, girl. That's it. But I will talk to y'all when I get out of class. God's creation is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. That is so stunning, y'all. Man, that is beautiful. Look at them clouds. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful.